Okay, so this is the final model. Okay, before we import to D5, make sure it's safe. Okay, and then let's open the D5. Okay, then click this button, open, and then select the SketchUp file. Okay, let's wait until the file open. Okay, the file just open, as you can see on the screen. But before we start editing the parameter and camera and everything, we have to save the file for safety. So okay, the file was saved, so we can move to the next step. Usually the first step, I will delete this second scene because it's same scene, so we don't need that one. Let's delete it and then move to image mode, so we can see this is the view for rendering result. We'll change to image. Okay, as you can see here, this is the view for final result. So I will change the aspect ratio to landscape or 16:9. It's a standard aspect ratio, and then I will turn on the grid to helping us on making composition right here. And then maybe I won't change the field of view. I will change it to 60 because 90 is too distort. Let's see, let's change navigation to fly to move more precise. Okay, so 60 is right here. Okay, I think we need 75. Okay, that looks better, I think. We have the ceiling, we have the floor, we have this window. Okay, beautiful. And now let's adjust the height. 1.5. This one is good. I think I will take this scene. Okay. 2 point, no need 2 point. It's already aligned with vertical line. Okay, next let's turn off the grid and change the navigation to orbit so we can move more freely. But first I want to change this glass using this standard glass library right here, because it's better for the general light. Just click this window. As you can see, now the sunlight can in through the room more stronger, can emit the whole room. But still we have to set the background, the environment. But first I want to change this curtain because it will affecting the natural light for this room entirely. So we have to change this curtain material. Just use from library. Let's see, blue ghost, white Gray gauze. Usually I use this white gauze curtain number 3. Let's click it. Okay, that's really nice, nice and smooth, beautiful. Okay, next we have to change the background. Usually I use HDRI. So I have a custom HDRI here, this city. Okay, so let's play with background. I think 0.1 is enough, and let's rotate. Yeah, maybe right here, 48, and then let's turn up the skylight, maybe 1, maybe 2. Okay, 1 is maximum. So we need another sunlight, okay, to make it more dramatic. And then of course the caustic to make a sunlight more realistic. Then I will use custom direction right here to make it more dramatic. Right here, yeah, that's beautiful. And then the shadow. Okay, I think that's very strong. And then I think I wanna, let's update the scene. I wanna change the sharpen of the sunlight. You can see here sundisk radius. How about 1? Oh, that's very strong. 2. I don't want to make it too strong. I want to make it a little bit soft, maybe 3. Default is 5, right? But it's too smooth, I think. 4, 3. Too strong. Yeah, I think 5 just nice. Okay, just use this default. And then we have to turn down the intensity because this very dark here. Let's turn down the intensity to 0.5 or maybe 0.3, 0.1, 0.2. I think 0.3 is best value so far. Let's use this value and update the scene. But we still have a dark right here. I think we need effect. Let's turn up the exposure a little bit. Yeah, maybe right here, 0.5. Okay. I think this is a better ambience here. Then let's play with material because we already have a nice general natural light. Let's change this floor. I wanna make it gloss, so uh, let's see what we have on the library. Marble stone. Black marble, black. Limestone, no. Okay, let's use the texture from the SketchUp. Let's play normal, of course, 0, and then specular maybe 0.5, and then metallic 0, of course, because this is not metal. And in roughness, let's put 0.2 first. Okay, I think it's enough. And then we have this backsplash and a top table. Let's use a same parameter for the floor. Okay. Specular 0.5, and then metallic 0, and then roughness 0.2. Oh, that's too strong. Let's turn down the specular to 0.3, maybe 0.1. Yeah, that looks better, I think. And then let's change this wood. I think I want to choose from library wood. Wood cherry, brown strip, dark brown oak. Free only. Let's see what we have here. The black, something black. Yeah, this one should be good. Let's try it. No, that's too big. Maybe 5 times 30. 100. Yeah, that's good. 70, I think. Yeah, nice, beautiful. And then next we have this wood veneer. I will use from this SketchUp file because it's already choose from the design page. I will use this one. I will use the normal map from this diffuse, and then change the roughness to 0.3, and then 0.5 specular for more reflective look surface. And then we have this rattan. I think I want to change this rattan but using woven. Okay, I want to use modern woven, maybe this one. Oh, this one, rattan weaving. Oh, that's too big. Let's scale it a little bit, maybe 3. Hmm, that bad, I think. Should be we make it darker? So make it dark, make it dark. Yeah, like this. Make it a little bit dark. Okay, 60. I think it's good. And then we have this wood texture. I won't change it because it looks bad here. So let's change wood. I will use this brown cherry, I think. Let's try this one. Okay. I think that looks too dark to me. Let's change it. Let's use this light brown maple. That looks weird. But let's scale it. Let's put it 5. Okay. Now the scale is looks better. How about 15? 13? 100? Yeah. That's good, I think. Let's keep going. We have the sink. Okay. Okay, we have go to metal for this one. And then I want to use frosted sunblast stainless, I think. Okay. And then I will use we have to put a black paint metal. Let's put this one. No, let's do it manual. So let's make it full metallic, and then specular roughness 0.2, and then specular also 0.2. But this should be not black like this. Maybe okay. That's a good one, good black. Then we have this stove right here. .2, and then full metallic. And then we have this silver brass stainless right here. Okay, that's nice. Back to the scene, and then next we have this one. This glass should be used normal glass from the library, like this, and then turn it down a little bit. Yeah, like this. Maybe 65. Oh, that's too dark, I think. Yeah, it's enough. 90 is enough, I think. And then next, this one. Okay. It's already glass, and then we have to put wall material, and then finish this marble looks material. Zero metallic, of course, and then roughness 0.3, and then specular 0.5. Okay. Now let's play with the lighting. First, I wanna put this chandelier material or pendant lamp. Reflection caustic, emissive, and then 3.5K. Oh, so that's the effect. The intensity start from 36. Okay, this should be 50, I think. 50 intensity. Okay, let's save the scene. And then next we have general light right here. This green emerald color. Let's emissive for 10 intensity, like this. Okay, nice. Then next we have this spot lamp, emissive, temperature 3.5K, and then intensity 10. Okay, and then next we have LED for furniture right here. Let's turn it on. Temperature 3.5K. Let's see from far. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let's turn it up into 15. Okay, I think 15 is enough. Effect bloom. How about 0? We still need 0.1 at least. And then let's put other curtain. Let's turn it on. 3.5K. And let's see from far. That's beautiful. How about 10 or 15? Oh, that's too strong. I will go with 7, I think. Yeah, that looks better. Wow, beautiful. Let's save the scene, and then we have right here. Let's turn it on. Temperature 3.5K. I think we need a 50 intensity for this one. How about 100? Yeah, I think 100 is enough. Okay, nice. Very nice. Next, let's put this spot lamp. I'm gonna put here, but it's too strong. We have to turn it down. First, the radius is only for working right here, and then turn down the intensity to 1, and then change the temperature 3.5K. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, so this is 1 intensity, and then we have okay. Let's turn up the intensity into 2. And now it's show on the wall. And then let's copy for other side. Right here. And then right here. Okay. Oh, we have to copy into this one. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Next we have this concrete color that looks too strong. Let's change it. We have lightweight concrete. Let's try this one. Okay. Let's turn up the scale of the material, maybe 0.3. Okay. And then make a normal map to 0.1. Make it a little bit dark. Yeah. Wow, that's beautiful. And let's see to image mode. Okay, we have bloom, we have outline. I want to use it as 0.3 to make the volume more stronger. Okay, and then let's play with contrast. Zero point 0.5, no, 0.3, 0, 0.1, 0.2. That's too strong. 0.1 is good. Yeah. How about highlight compress? No, we don't need that. Yeah, that will balance the light. Yeah, that's good. 0.2. And then bloom, okay. Saturation, no, it's already good. Line, background, and vignette. Let's try 0.5. Oh, that's very affecting the final. How about 0? 0.3 is good, I think. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, let's render it. Let's render it for sample. 720 is enough. Okay, let's render this thing. It's just for a study. It's very fast, less than a minute. Okay, let's see if the result's beautiful. I will go on with the full resolution or 4K. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's the bloom is very strong, but without bloom, these things will be flat. That's too much exposure here. You can see, yeah, that's too much exposure right here. Maybe we have to turn down the highlight to 0, and then local compress. No, not the compress, but the sunlight itself. I think it should be 0.2 or maybe 0.1. Okay, let's try again. Please make it better. It should be good, please. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think that's better. So I will go with the full resolution. But before it, I want to change this black color into full metallic. Yeah, it should be 1. And then 0.2 roughness. Maybe 10. Yeah, 25 is good. Metallic, full metallic, and then specular 0.5. Okay. Okay, let's render it on 4K resolution. Yay. Okay, let's go. 16 4K. Okay. Effect. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the result. But we have to wait. It should be not too long. Maybe. Usually it's 2 minutes, but let's see. Okay, it's finished. Let's see the result. Okay. So this is the result. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'm very satisfied with the result.